Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. To all my new subscribers, I want to welcome you guys to my channel, and all the old subscribers, welcome back. So guys, since we're in the hot season, this would be the perfect time to make this lovely dessert, ice block. These are the ingredients for the ice block. We have clove, nutmeg, cinnamon stick, carnation milk, essence, powder milk, sugar, and the custard powder. Okay guys, as you guys can see, we cracked an egg. I know you guys saw the cracked shell, but later on we're going to take it out. So now you're going to put 2 spoons of custard powder and you mix it up into the half cup of water, and then you throw it with the egg and whisk it up. Then add half nutmeg, and then you're going to whisk it back again and set it aside. Guys, all measurements and ingredients will be listed down below. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel because it will help my channel a great lot. Now that the milk is close to a boil, you're gonna add your egg mixture, and then you're gonna stir to prevent lumps from forming. Okay guys, so now that it's boiling, you need to keep a close eye on it because it could easily boil over on you and make a mess on your stove.
working with.
So guys, so actually this is the traditional way of cutting ice block. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys try this recipe. Please do have a safe and blessed day.